Cutting and shell opening blade. Then, the yolk and white flow down a separate path to separate the yolk from the white. The operator monitors the process of breaking and removing damaged yolks using a quality control tray or provided spoon. Next, yolks, whites, and egg cells are transferred into respective boxes or bins. Capacity 19,200 eggs per hour. The RZ3 egg. Beater with the function of separating egg whites from yolks is a mid-range model among Ogatech egg beaters, dushing on industrial food machinery. Bacon Food Equipment's Choco Chocolate Machine is a compact device for direct chocolate spraying and roving and similar blocks directly from an open heated container. This machine is perfect for quickly decorating, efficiently covering almond cake pieces with high cocoa butter content, creating a velvety effect and spraying delicate patterns. These are probably the most delicious donuts I've ever had. Wow, you must be eager to work at this factory. If you enjoy our video, please comment with the number 1. Moran's Rio Pen Rotoball Round Go Divider is ideal for rounding the final pieces of dough after resting, unlike cone-shaped rounders usually designed for rounding. This matcha-flavored raw chocolate cutting machine is quite clever, isn't it, everyone? The integrated robot loading solution for poultry, meat, and production is truly amazing. 510 mm diameter discs used to level the ground and mix it with remaining crop residues. Finally, the machine has a 560 mm diameter toothed wheel to adjust the working depth as needed. The Menardi Magico 207 is usually pulled by a high-powered tractor, ensuring optimal work performance. This combination makes soil preparation much easier and highly efficient. With the Menardi Magico 207, land preparation becomes easier and more efficient than ever before. It truly is an essential agriculture machine for farmers and agricultural households, isn't it, everyone? Regular and proper application of plant protection chemicals brings significant benefits not only to farmers but also to crops and the environment. By controlling pests and preventing the spread of diseases, this method ensures effective plant protection. Let's visit a farm in the Netherlands where the Delvano Eurotrack 6000 spraying machine is being used. This machine is designed with advanced pressure and flow control systems, allowing farmers to adjust the appropriate dosage for each type of crop. It reduces chemical waste and avoids the risk of overdosing, which can harm the crops. The Delvano Eurotrack 6000 is equipped with special spray nozzles to ensure consistent spraying patterns. This guarantees that all crops receive an equal amount of plant protection chemicals, thereby improving pest and disease control efficiency. One advantage of the Delvano Eurotrack 6000 is its ability to navigate challenging terrains. The machine is designed with a good suspension system, enabling stable operation on steep and uneven terrains. This allows farmers to efficiently spray crops without being hindered by rugged terrain. When using plant protection chemicals, it is important to choose reputable brands and adhere to the manufacturer's regulation regarding the isolation of agricultural products. This ensures safety and reliability in the use of plant protection chemicals. Modern agricultural technology has brought about significant advancements. Modern agriculture machines have become valuable companions for farmers, enhancing the quality of agricultural products. From selecting the freshest oranges to transporting and arranging them on the line, every step is done with care and thoughtfulness. Fontanini Apple Sorting Machine is an advanced and effective device for sorting apples according to size, color, and quality. With advanced technology, this machine not only helps increase production productivity, but also minimizes problems and errors during the sorting process. Looking at the Fontanini Apple Sorting Machine, we can see the accuracy and uniformity in the sorting process. The apples are fed into the machine and then automatically sorted based on previously set parameters. The image of ripe red tomatoes frolicking on the chain. We cannot help but feel their freshness and appeal. Each tomato is carefully cared for and harvested to ensure it reaches peak ripeness. When put on the chain, each tomato is like a brilliant gem, happily moving and jumping on the conveyor belt, creating an extremely lovely and eye-catching scene. The careful and precise arrangement of each tomato on the line not only creates a vibrant scene, but also demonstrates the care and attention that the producer has for his product. This shows a great combination of technology and enthusiasm, helping to create quality and attractive products for consumers. The butter production line is an impressive sight that is not only an embodiment of modernity and progress in the food processing industry, but also a symbol of care and attention to product quality. Products. Looking at this line, we can feel the organization and efficiency of the production process. From selecting ripe red avocados through selection, transportation, to handling and packaging, every step is done carefully and professionally. Automation and precision in each process help optimize production productivity and ensure product quality. At the same time, the use of modern technology also helps reduce waste and increase labor efficiency. Multi-lane fruit sorting and packaging line is a perfect system to optimize the production process.